Get an update. Been about 20 minutes messing with the weed sprayer. Come back to. Says he hasn't seen her yet. And now the more you get bit, could that be that you're closer to the queen?
No.
No? That's not how that works?
No, I just get it. So
yeah,
what's nice
looks
when
like,
you just set your box down and shake them right in there.
Yeah, I know when you asked how far off the ground, and I said 2 foot or so, and then afterwards I realized, I said, well, that's not going to help him. But boy, oh boy, looks like majority of it's
ready to shake this thing and see if they'll do a march right into that box right there.
Then
hopefully
there you go. Now I asked you. I don't know if you told me what. How would you know if you had the queen?
Because usually is what will happen. You see, is what I'll do is I'll leave this set here for, and I'll go over and check all the rest. And maybe by the time I come back, they'll all be marched in there.
I see. All right. Don't take them too long then, huh?
No, once the queen's in the box, they'll go to the queen.
Oh, that's
You've seen people that have had bees all over their head?
Yes.
Neck,
yeah.
You know how they
sure.
do that?
No.
They'll take and cage a queen and put her on a little necklace and put her around their neck, and then here come the bees.
Okay.
And the queen's right there. And that's how they're able to.
What was that back in the day? Ripley's Believe It or Not. There was always a fella doing that stuff, huh? I see. What is this?
There's a few in here, but I'm going to try knocking that, bumping that thing.
I think I see a peculiar one.
Where?
Right down in here. They're all checking something out right in that area, and it seems to be moving, and everybody's interested in where it goes. Right up under where you're at. I might have just been seeing stuff. I don't know. It seemed like a darker color.
Yeah, sometimes the queens are black, sometimes they're blonde.
Yeah, the one I saw moving was sort of darker looking. I don't know. Now I see it again. It's nothing. It just happens to be a real dark one.
See, those bees in there are fairly docile in the box, so it's kind of making me think I got her, but I'm going to...
Yeah. Okay. That's what he's going to do. I'm going to back off. There's a 2.5 minute video of Ray riling them up. He thinks he's got them. They're going to have to decide to go somewhere at this point, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave them set.
All right.
A little bit.
And I'm going to back off. I get stung. All right, I'll come find you in a little bit.